What's the meaning of correlation? Correlation. Correlation.
Correlation. Correlation. In statistics, correlation refers to the relationship between two variables. A correlation coefficient is a statistical measure that represents the strength and direction of the linear relationship between two variables. The coefficient ranges from -1 to +1, with values closer to -1 or +1 indicating a stronger correlation, while a coefficient of 0 indicates no correlation. A positive correlation means that as one variable increases, so does the other, while a negative correlation indicates that as one variable increases, the other decreases. Correlation does not imply causation, and further research may be necessary to establish a causal relationship.